071N.
Mhm.
All right. So what were you talking about earlier?
So we won't. This is kind of personal question. Are
Ah.
you okay with that?
Why? What personal? Not professional?
No, kind of personal.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that the viewer will know you better.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So from actually, um, what made first of all, okay.
Okay.
So why did you already answered it earlier, right? Because you want a free consultation to everyone,
Okay, yeah, yeah.
right? So why did you what made you what call this one? What made you decide to have this radio program?
Oh, yeah. As I've mentioned earlier, I decided, of course, Kuya JM has been contacting me and he really knows the potential of an immigration office, I mean immigration practice, doing radio program. All right? Kasi nga sabi niya wala pang immigration program sa
Okay, okay.
Radio Pinoy. And I consider, we've talked a lot actually. Merong mga exchanges of messages. And then, yeah, I said, why not? This is a good venue, right?
True.
A lot of, actually, the main reason is a lot of clients, a lot of people do legit check, right? Yun talaga, they are hesitant, right? Skeptical sila when it comes to dealing with immigration consultants kasi nga baka ma-scam, right? So there are a lot of instances na nangyayari yun talaga. So this is legit check. So you see me here on Pinoy Radio, that means we're legit.
Oh.
Alright?
Awesome.
Consultant naman agad. There is actually a website. May nakilalang consultant. Okay, there's a client. May nagpakilalang consultant offering their services. You can check the CICC website. You can just type there, check my RCIC or find an RCIC. So there's a roster, like a list of licensed RCIC. So
Okay.
yeah, they can use
Good
that.
to know. Good
yeah,
to know, huh?
a lot of people don't know that.
Okay.
So they can check that.